Hello, good day, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. It's me, your sister, your girl, Mommy Julia TV. God bless you all, my returnees, my subscriber, my new subscriber. Without you people, there will be no me. God bless you all. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for what you are doing in this my channel, in this my YouTube. God will bless you. God will continue to be supporting you people in Jesus' name. Amen. Today I have a good topic, nice topic that everybody is going to learn in this topic. Me that I'm saying it, I'm going to learn too. Okay. Okay. Today topic now be say more na lis ten to una children. Is parents lis ten to your children and invest in your children. Na two topic na dey inside one. The two topic wey dey inside one, I go dey talk am one by one. Invest in your children. Make I talk wetin e mean about you go invest for your children. E good make parents dey invest for children, because if you no invest for your children, wetin you gain? If you don old, who wan take care of you? If you don old, who wan dey there for you if you no invest for them? Why we dey born children? We dey born them make dem better pass us. We no just born children say we go born them put for there. Say nothing, wetin dem want, we no dey give them. Wetin invest me for me, I go use my own take make example. For me, I be Nigerian woman. And because people wey dey look me, and not be only Nigerian people dey look me. So let me introduce myself well. I'm a Nigerian woman, but I live in Spain, okay? I live in Highland, Gran Canaria. The time when I small, my papa no invest for me. He no invest. He no give me anything. I enter school. The school I force myself enter. Now me come dey pay my school fees by myself. Now me go dey jump fence, they go. I go sell wetin I want sell, when I fit take care of myself. When I fit pay my school fees. Because if you don't pay for Nigeria, they go beat you. They go drive you out. They will first punish you, not be only beat you. They will punish you, go and clear the bush. Go and do this before you can even free. You understand? For wetin you not pay. So with that one, now my brain no fit dey. If I dey class, na so they think say, make my chichi no go spoil, make my buns no go spoil, make my this thing no go spoil, make I go sell. Go beg gate, ma go beg am. May I fit pass gate, may I not jump gate. The day we gate man go say no fit, say principal dey around or person dey around where they wash. I'll go jump first. I'll follow my mate jumper. Yeah, go put my uniform, they say. You understand? So invest. Today now call. If not be me when I come Europe, I'll for suffer down. I'll for suffer. Maybe I'll do born 5, born 6. Or they beg money, they go for street. But if my papa can't invest for my life, I for not dey here. Maybe I for sit there, they just they walk. You understand? If you get pikin, when he tell you say, we will dey Europe now, what to now? You go ask and say, pikin, my pikin, come oh, what do you want? May you do after school. Because children supposed to be doing sport. What do you want may you do? The pikin will tell you, say, mama, see what I like. Oh. No be say some people, your children don't like ball. You go first and go say because he like her. Now what you like? When the pikin don't grow, you go leave her. Now what you like? Now you force and put. Oh, I want me to do this one. I like this one. I like this one. You go force and put. You understand? My own. Now she choose what he like. With the time we did 3 years, I say na pikin because it's good make they notice your pikin. I say na pikin wey like dance, they dance well. If you put music, that's why they move here. 3 years, move. That's also dance, they dance. Now say this pikin like dance. Now go put her for dancing school because he never start to the talk. I go put her, but if they talk, not be say you go know opinion, you don't know. So I go put her. The day when I no carry her go, he go wear the dress. He don't ready. He go say, I'll say he not there today. He go say he day. He go call they cry. Meaning he like her well. Until today now they do. If I want punish am, I go say you no go, I no go pay. No be beat, I no dey beat house, I no go pay, you no go again, you go dey cry. Yeah, abeg o, wetin you say you do, na you no go do again. But if you no like am come, say na me force am put. Say na me say, you must like am. If I say you no go dey happy. Inside my mind, you go say no be you force me put. Me even dey happy say you no put me. Some people see their children, they know say their children like medicine. Go they tell and say, Mama, you like swimming, you like this one. You go say money no day. See that, go read, go and read your book. You go read, go read this one. Children come for school, you not put them for activities. You go get time till they side phone. You go get time till they call a mate. You go get time till go outside. You go get time they follow quick. You don't they follow. The children come for school, don't do your own work. He get your activities where they go. He go they run, they go because he like the activities. You don't get chance for nonsense. I know so when I know, if pikin go they beg and say, Mama, I want swim. The mama go say tomorrow, next tomorrow, you're born pikin for Europe, you not sabi swim. People where they born for village sabi swim, then they die for river, they come out. You pikin where you born for Europe, you not sabi swim. Now shame on you. Shame on you. You will be their mama. Shame on her. I don't feel pay when I go show how to swim. Swimming pool, when everybody where in Nigeria don't they know how to swim. They don't they dive. Because when you born for Europe, you carry and reach Nigeria. Everybody go they jump pure for swimming pool. The pikin go say, I don't know how to swim. Aye! You better you go born her for ego. You have a baby go away my soul. People when they born for village, even better person because they sabi. You understand? I talk the other one, listing. I don't explain small for that one about invest. More than they invest for our children. More than they give the better thing. More than they give the better food. Not be only rice. Not be only go come up for rice. You go chop the fufu, shut up your mouth. You mad? Chop it. Indomie. Not be only that one. More than not go to carry cloth for red cloth, come go to wear them. But you wanna go, una one come out, una go put for hand, put for leg, una nails go long everywhere. Una understand me? So listen for your children, listen to your children. The other one, I thought you said that two in one. That be the topic of today. So listen to your children. You suppose me they listen to your children. If they talk to you, listen to them. If they need something or they need help, listen to them. You get one person when I know here. Some people when they will see bond, they'll go throw away pikin for body school. Why you go keep your pikin for body school? Waiting me no children where they stubborn. How do they put for body school? They go match it and then they go deal with them. For Nigeria, that time when I did their college, hey, the way they body school, if I look there so far, they so far. That's so they will ring back. But they don't get up. Now so senior can punish the teacher can punish the punish there everywhere. Senior go give the cloth to make that they wear, make that they wash. They go give the pint. They'll say, go and watch this one. Be jumping up because I'm your senior. Who born pikin with another person will call they suffer? Am I being no one? They never born the pikin. They never born the person. For here, for Europe, some people go see get that habit. They'll go keep the pikin. Get one when I know, go keep the pikin for body school. The pikin go they call every Friday, 3 of the pack and go. Make get chance. Understand? You or they sleep. Your children go there body school. They'll bring her come. You don't know what they happen to that pikin. You don't know whether that pikin need help. You don't know whether that pikin, because if you know say on Monday you see carry and go back. If you need help, you know go tell you. Because they go tell and say if you talk, you know say you will come here again. We'll go beat you, we'll go do this one. This one when I know. Teacher can go the fucking pikin yash. Teacher this guaguana. Your mama don't know. No understand? Your mama don't know. What one they see for news, see they happen, eh? Mama don't know. The pikin go come, he go go, but the pikin can't like this thing. Can't like her. The pikin can't grow, put, he can't like her. The pikin, the day when they were there holiday for this three months, they'll come back. Can't stay house. The pikin can't they use a little brother till they practice before they come catch. Who cause her? You say like that pikin. Hey, you know the time when person they do one for school, he need help. You not see person where you go talk to. the mama no gree lis ten to her. Maybe go dey cry, no need. The mama will say, you go go. You go go. May you see time they carry different person they call us. You must go. You must go. That's what that pikin life. Bad spirit don't enter the pikin body. It don't make that pikin know say in another place now the sweet pass another place. Who do one? Now your mama do one. Nobody go tell me say, eh, because it never happened to you. Never. Because my eye open. My eye open. Why they leave? Not because of the children. That's why they talk calamity, they enter on here. No shouting, no anything. Who like me take? Who not like me offend? Who like me see pics on topic where they when I they talk, like me see pics small for each side. May use that take learn for your house because you know they finish for person. Everybody they learn for here. If I see go your page, I will see learn. Wait I don't know before I see Jama, I will see learn. Listen to them. We get one day. My pikin dey 5 years. I go you know, so I tell myself I go use myself till they make example. My pikin dey 5 years. He tell me say, you know, they go where they for the eat again for school. Now I say, why? God the fear not talk. I say the pikin don't they change. But they tell me say, you come pick me after school. No, you carry me go where I don't want to go where for the eat. I go ask, I go say you don't like her. I'll say you need to like her because me go start work one day. May you go the eat there. So that I'll come pick you. I might not go see go they pay another person. You can't they cry. One because you know if they cry, if they go they happy. If I go pick, I go they happy. Suddenly, you not gonna need that again. Now I call the answer. If you talk, I'll feel help you. If you not talk, I don't feel help you. Talk what they do you. Now I can't talk one day. He use and rub nose. He say one boy where they school they bitter. If he they eat, he go throw away food. If he they play, he go do this one. He go say, if he do something for class, he go say, I go see you for where for they eat today. I go beat you today. And I say, now you don't tell me since then. Don't worry, my pikin. Tell me anything where they happen to you. Tell me. Now make me be your mama. I can kill because of my children. No worry. You go see what I go do today. So that next time, you go have that confiance. You have that trust for me. That's okay. Now I say, no, you worry. But what I want to tell you, if you reach where for the set, where you not for the eat today, that boy make sure say you beat her. So that me go beat him, mama. Because that small boy, me not feel beat her. I say, wait for me, my tell you as my party tell me that this small picking. If they all give you woza, give her. Make sure say that slap where you go give her, make her fall. If you fall for ground, you will jump for your body. Beat her where? Wozy face. Make sure say if son they give her son, no, they need to where they put her for his mouth. He said, now I say, he go fear you. I mean go beat your mama today. He got a laugh. Now I say, no worry. Now today the thing go end. The pikin go there. When are they come? They don't hide my pikin for one place. I asked teacher, what did they happen? He said, no, my pikin try. My pikin try. They call the president. They said they don't feel blame her. Because the boy, don't you wait, the boy they beat her down. They say, go this side. This boy go you one. Before you know, he go say no beat her. But my pikin they cry, say beat her. But my pikin beat her today. He design his face. I say, hey. Before I come, my pikin can't even tell me, say, because when mama call, they call, they tell her, say, see, because they beat this girl every time. Now this girl beat her today. If mama can't go threaten my pikin, say, your family go die today. Now, Morocco, you say your family go die today. So, you know, you beat my pikin like this. As my pikin, your time, now say, wait, mama, I say, see, okay, no problem. I babara, if you want to deal with Oyibo, where testing go not there, where people will go do say I see her, not there. I look. He enter one corner, now cash. The other week, the woman change the pikin school. I catch her with her way. I tell her, say, if you want to eat those way, I go feed down with those way today. The woman fear. I say, because you dey tie face, me now black, now they for born me. Your own, now fake Africa that you be. Me now original. I go deal with you today. You understand? The woman wrong. But if I not listen to my pikin, this thing when I dey talk, that because of listening to your children, if you not listen to her, it's something that will happen to her, I not go tell you. Because you know the listen, why you go talk? You don't give her that trust made talk to you. You understand? So now these two things now say my yoko sit up. Mona stay blessed. God bless you now. Thank you for very much. Make this thing not come too long. I know they like do long video so that people can watch it. You understand? If it's too long, people will be they'll just skip and pass. You understand? So I would like to stop now. Next time, like this my video, share, comment. You understand? Next time I will be coming for another topic. We dey show each other here. I tell una say this is my page. Now different thing now they do here. Advice, anything. Now we dey do here. We dey cook, we dey do everything. If I have chance, I can put food here too. So anything we wanna like, we wanna comment. I will see come there, come read them. Wanna not insult each other because this page is not for insult, okay? God bless you all. I love you all. Stay blessed. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Stay blessed. Jesus love you too. Thank you very much for supporting me. Bye. See you next time.